Located just off the east coast of Australia is Fraser Island, the world's largest sand island. Every year, it attracts over 400,000 visitors. With no bridges connecting to the island, most visitors arrive by barge in their four-wheel drives and are dropped directly onto the soft sand.
Well, good morning! Straight on the barge to Fraser, Velmire, Benny and Barney!
Many come to explore the pristine rainforests and freshwater lakes, but some tow their boats and jet skis, hoping to go fishing or whale watching. But despite the 300 kilometres of coastline, there's apparently no public boat ramp on Fraser Island. Not a single one. I even checked the official websites, and they all state that there are no boat ramps on Fraser Island. In fact, regular visitors and even locals say the same. So if you want to launch your boat or jet ski, instead of safely driving down a concrete boat ramp, you have to risk a beach launch, reversing your trailer directly through soft sand, hoping you don't get bogged. But surely with over 300 kilometres of coastline, there's a secret boat ramp somewhere. How could an island this big and this popular not have a proper boat ramp? I'd heard rumours that there might actually be one somewhere in the southwest corner of the island, but no one had personally been there, and there was nothing noted on any of the maps I could find. So perhaps the rumours were untrue, but then I took a closer look at some satellite images. Could this shadow be evidence of a secret boat ramp? Well, I decided to put the rumours to rest and find out for myself. Conditions were great as I crossed over from the mainland. Upon reaching the southern tip of the island, I cruised north up the west coast, hoping to identify what I had seen in the satellite images. And after a few kilometres, I found it. Surprisingly, there was not one, but two concrete boat ramps side by side. It was time to take a closer look. This area is a designated campground known as Coastline Creek. It's only a few kilometres from the barge landing site and is accessed via the Hook Point Inland Road, which is also known as the Coastline Creek Campgrounds Road. These ramps were built back in the sand mining era, so heavy trucks could load sand onto barges. The northern ramp was badly damaged and unusable. However, the southern ramp appeared intact and in relatively good condition. When sand mining stopped back in the 1970s, the ramps must have fallen into disrepair, so I suspect that's why they are no longer officially recognised. But if you had the choice between beach launching a heavy boat or using this ramp, what would you choose? Well, after confirming the secret Fraser Island boat ramp did indeed exist, it was time to move on. Thanks for joining me today, hang in there, and I'll see you next time.